Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel. I have some amazing news. I was shocked. You're probably gonna be shocked, but I was definitely shocked. So here it is. I am monetized by Facebook. Yes. Okay, so that was one of my goals for this year, was to become monetized. So I'm really excited. Now let's get down to how it happened, what was the process, what you need to know, why it's so important. Okay, now back to the beginning. Facebook did not have Reels. Instagram had Reels. Well, we know they're owned by the same company, but what I did was I was consistent. Yes, just consistent. That is the key. I was consistent for the last 2 years when I actually got on social media. Yes, I know I'm probably the only person in the world that only used Facebook for sharing family pictures, and that's about it. And to go to YouTube to find out how to do stuff. YouTube University, right? That was me. I didn't have Instagram, TikTok didn't exist, and now I have them all. Still learning Snapchat, but that's a whole nother conversation. So back to monetization on Facebook. So excited because I've already got my first check. I only have 1,000 followers on Facebook. No, I have less followers. I have friends, 1,000 friends. See, I don't even know. I'm sorry. I have 1,000 friends. I'm looking right now so I can be accurate. I have 1,000 or so. Yes, I have over 1,000 friends on Facebook, but I have 178 followers. I actually gained about 20 followers since becoming monetized, getting a professional account and becoming monetized by Facebook. I didn't have a professional account either. I'm getting to it. Hold tight. I'm getting to it. And I have a 480 following. Of course, I don't have the big numbers like all the big people, but I'm still monetized. So there's hope. Yes, there is hope for us small people or small creators. Yes. So who have space. So that is why I'm doing this video, because I want you guys to know there is space for smaller creators and those of us who are just being consistent and showing up. Keep showing up. That is my advice. Keep showing up. Every little bit helps. Hey, okay, so my first check was 5 or maybe 10. I don't even think I posted a lot of reels. My fault. Yes, I blame myself because I have 2 years worth of content. I should be dropping 10 reels a day. So that's what I've been doing. So just to be transparent, my first check in December was $142. Not a lot, but I enjoyed that $142 because I didn't have to do anything for it. Now, I'll let you know, I have more than that now because when I actually got paid, I realized that this is serious. I'm so sorry to laugh, but I honestly was like, they're not gonna pay me any money. Like, I did not think I was gonna get but maybe $5. Like, so I didn't put any effort into it. I posted, I'm telling you, maybe 10 reels that I already had some reels. So now I post about, I'm trying to get better because in one day I made what I made in that whole month. In one day when I posted, I think 5 or 6 reels in one day, I made what I made in the whole month of December because I didn't take it seriously. Taking it seriously now, I promise, was more serious than I did. I'm still not all the way serious like I should be, but things are changing. So they extended me until February 12th. So I'm extended in the program until February 12th. And you guys, after this, I'm cranking out 10 tonight. I'm just cranking them out. My only hesitation is when they change me over to a professional account, I don't have the access to the music like I used to have. So I got hit with I think a copyright thing, which I didn't know that they changed my music. I couldn't use the same music, and I don't like any of the music that comes with it. So I should have saved all that music. I would just use it beforehand. So that's a tip. If you think you're going to go to the professional account, go ahead and save your good music and it goes into your saved account. Save music. So that way when you switch to the professional, then you can go ahead and get it. I'm scared to change back out of the professional account because then I might lose my monetization. I don't know, but I'm not going to try it. I got other ways around the music, so to keep it legit. So that is my tip. But it really is real. Okay, so how did I get into the Creators Program? It's probably what you're wondering. Or into monetization with Facebook Reels program. I don't know. I literally was on Facebook one day and got a pop-up that said, you've been chosen to be a part of the professional creators program, or whatever it's called. I really didn't even read it. I'm bad about that. Yes, I'm a clicker. I'm a clicker without reading sometimes. I'm guilty. I am guilty. So I did not read it all the way. All I saw was monetized and reels. I think those are the only two words I saw, and I said, yeah, click, and I clicked it. Okay, so didn't read the fine print, didn't read all that. I went back and read it after I clicked it, and I was like, wait a second, I don't have all my music. What am I gonna do? So I went back, and that's when I read, and I'm just kind of just posting all that I already have. I still can't make my reels in Facebook like I do on TikTok or on Instagram, but it's okay. You can reuse those things. I personally don't use them with the watermark. Some people say it doesn't matter, and I've seen it does not matter with some people's, but I choose not to. Now, the reels that I posted on Instagram that went over to Facebook automatically, you do not get credit for those. They don't pay you for those. So I stopped allowing my Instagram reels to post automatically to Facebook because I want to get paid for them. So if you are in the program, do not allow them to automatically be posted up. You won't be paid for those. Download them, save them, whatever you got to do, and then put them into there yourself. So just a little tip. So that's how I was chosen to get into the program. And it's been a lot of fun. I'm learning as I go. And my audience, at first when I was doing the reels, I don't know if Facebook wasn't pushing them out, but people really weren't looking at them. But now they love them. So I am struggling because you used to be able to find my reels when you would go to my homepage, but people can't see that anymore. So I don't know what that's about. So if you go to someone's homepage on Facebook, you can see there. So you can see mine here, and you don't see where it says reels. You can't see it. So you used to be able to see it. So like my mom's page, and she doesn't mind me showing this, like her page, she posts out my reels for me. Isn't that what a mom is for? Have a good mom. But yeah, so hers here has reels at the bottom. See how it has that reels there? Mine does not have that. It used to have it. I don't know what happened. So I've got to figure that out. But hey, either way, it still shows all of my stuff, and people seem to be seeing my reels because they all comment on it. I've gained more followers. I'm trying to see what else I can show you, tell you about on here. That is it. I'm still learning, and I will update you. I would definitely update you on months in and how my pay went that way. I did notice that once I posted and made the same money, or made the money I made last month in that one day, I did notice that my views kind of went down. So I don't know what that's about, but my views kind of went down on all of my other videos. Some of my videos that I posted like the next day when I tried to do it again. So I don't know if what that is about, but I will say that. What else? What else can I tell you? If you have any questions, put them in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back with another video to update you on how this went for the second month. I'm extended through February 12th, so you'll be hearing another update from me. You might hear another one before then because I'm learning new things in between, so this is going to be really cool. I think it's an excellent idea for even smaller people to build their following. Also for people to get to my Instagram and my Pinterest pages as well. So, and my TikTok pages. It's allowed people to learn more about me and expand my other pages as well. So that is the good thing about it. And what else? I can't think of anything else, but it is a lot of fun to be able to actually say I've reached one of my goals for this year, and that was to be monetized on at least one of the platforms socially that I'm on. So I wasn't even planning. Facebook was not on my radar because I didn't know they were monetized. TikTok and Instagram and YouTube were on my radar. So if you like this and want to see more, please like, subscribe, and comment. Turn on the notification bell so you get the next one, and I promise it'll be some new stuff on here. Now I'll probably figure out how to put some screenshots up here so you can see how I navigated, how I like the Facebook Reels and all of those things like that. Thanks so much for joining me. Be sure to watch any of my other videos and to subscribe. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.